In May 2019, I went to Portland, Oregon for Casey and Daniel's wedding and had a good time checking out the local area as well as trying out some of the Oregon beer. Hey, I'm here in the Austin airport, starting my trip to Portland for Casey DeLong's wedding. Boarding Alaska Airlines flight real soon. Just enjoying the terminal right now. And I should be in Portland in a few hours. Just landed in Portland Airport. Check out the city for the first time. And already found a big sign that says "Given to beer pressure." Let's go. After going from the airport to the Airbnb, I went to the well-known Portland beer bar, Beer Mongers, to meet with some of the locals I had connected with online. They sometimes do a bottle share there, and my travel overlapped, so my evening was full of meeting nice people and good drinks.
We have an amazing bar that hosts us.
Stop in Portland for a bottle share and me trying to make one of these new GoPro videos. Enjoying out, meeting some of the local wildlife, enjoying some of these beers. Met, lawyers, OB people who work for charities, bartenders. There's a really cute pit bull in here right now. I just lined up some balls, take a little picture of that. So here's some things we got lined up. I'd like to thank the Portland locals for inviting me to hang out with them, and also give a shout out to their charity project, the Brews for New Avenues, that several of them work with and are passionate about. It has helped raise over $1 million for at-risk youth in the Portland area. As a preview of what's in the next videos, here are some maps showing the places we checked out. On the first full day, we went out to the Pacific Coast and visited DeGard Brewing and Tillamook Creamery. We then went to a few breweries and bars in Vancouver, Washington, and East Portland. The following day is best described as an all-day brewery crawl in central Portland with a few friends joining along the way. The places were mostly picked due to having a variety of good beer. The final full day was morning biscuits, afternoon beer, and a lovely evening wedding. I look forward to you joining me on this trip.